Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can apply for a new credit card from Bank of America from your PC. So first, you're going to open your preferred web browser, and on the address bar or the Google search bar, you're going to type Bank of America. Click enter, and you're going to open the first link or the second sublink from Bank of America. So once the page loads, you're gonna click on open an account right here. So since you're looking to apply for credit cards, we're gonna click on Get Started below the credit card section. Let this page load. So now, Bank of America, of course, they provide different credit cards with different merits or different bonuses, let's say. So of course, you can choose whatever suits you. Like this one will give you unlimited cash rewards. There them. If you click this and you can make that. So it'll compare that with our 12 score. You can add up with 4 info cards. Compare that to see which one is most suited for you. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Click on apply now and let the page load. There you go. Now this page can give you a brief detail about the card. So what do you get and how is it going to be given and all that stuff. And then if you scroll down here, you can start filling this form to apply for the credit card. So let's say a first name, middle name, last name. A suffix is a, let's say your son and you have a same name, but your son has a junior at the end. So residence and address line, city, state, zip code, and your phone number. You can choose your mobile phone, your phone, and email address. There are like 4 steps, 4 different forms they need to fill in order to apply for the credit card. So I'm sure the next is going to be about bank details, your social security numbers, something like that. Third is going to be a terms and conditions, and last is when you fill all 4 of these forms, you'll apply for the Bank of Credit Card. If this content helps you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, make it.